is May 27, 2021. This one here, I worked for this lady a while back, and she had an outside faucet. She had pipe running along the outside of the house with a faucet out back that she never winterized right last year. It was split. So I told her I'd go back there, you know, when it warmed up a little bit, fix it. I know for sure that the copper on the outsides, I'm gonna have to cut it out and put a coupling in there or something. And I told her she's gonna have to winterize it next year before it gets cold out. You'll see it when I get there. So that's the story. I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on, fix that faucet leak and see. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. I'll unscrew this, and looks like it just popped off. It's a compression. I don't know if there's any more leaks. I don't feel none. You'd feel it split if it was split. I might just cut this off and put a piece of copper on there. Sweat them. Looks like it might have just popped off. Oh, she's floating in the wind there, Mama. It's a compression thing. Probably never even tightened it up right. I'll have to get another one in the truck. I should have another one in the truck. 5/8. Tipping down like that, you know, have to put something in there. That's good. Put a brass nut there. What this is. We'll see if it stays on. I'll turn it on and see what happens. Popped off. It's dripping.
You want to put some plastic on the cabinet if water's going to fall out? No?
No water should fall out.
Okay.
You got the shot, yeah. Which one'd you get?
The what? I've got, yeah, which one? First one.
Moderna?
No, the other one, no.
Pfizer?
Yeah. I've got the two. I tested Symmetric.
That's the one I got, was the Pfizer. It seemed to work pretty good. I mean, I didn't have no side effects.
Oh, I did. And my son did.
I didn't have anything. I mean, I just had a little sore arm there for maybe half an hour. That was it.
And my whole body was sore. The whole body.
Really?
And it was the same for Marcel. But see, he had COVID. Miraculously, he didn't have to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
He was in this house. He had just come in with a truckload of stuff from Chicago. And he got the message on the phone.
How's the shitters working out? Good? How's the toilets working out?
I'm glad you asked, because I've got to wait till after you finish mine. Rocks. This side here is not anchored securely.
I'd have to look at that. So it's rocking?
Yeah,
We'll look at that.
And how I bend over to wipe myself in plain English, you know.
Let me make sure this thing's not leaking, then we'll check it, okay?
I never even looked at myself for that. I know that it's had Pfizer. Has not been bothered other than maybe the sore arm.
Oh, look at the shit coming out of there.
He had COVID. So is that why it affected him? Now for me, it's, yes I have, no you haven't, we don't know.
Right.
So I was very sore, like the whole day I couldn't move.
You seeing one of the toilets is rocking a little bit?
Yeah.
We'll have to look at that.